3, 2, 1.
What is a screwdriver mainly used for? The answer is D, turning screws. Which is a function of a seed? The answer is C, storing food for a new plant. In the movie The Phantom of the Opera, Christine's dad called her by what name? The answer is C, Little Lot. Adaptations that go along with the active, carnivorous lifestyle of sharks are known as? The answer is D, acute senses. Which TV series won the most Emmy Awards in a single season 2019? The answer is A, Game of Thrones. What are large vesicles derived from the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus? The answer is B, vacuoles. What is the name of the art movement characterized by bright, non-naturalistic colors? The answer is A, Cubism. Which artist created the Sistine Chapel ceiling? The answer is C, Raphael. What year did The Muppet Show debut? The answer is C, 1976. Which is not a kitchen appliance? The answer is D, television. How does Angelina Jolie's character Gia Karangi die in the 1998 film Gia? The answer is B, from AIDS. What is used to cut through cords and wires? The answer is D, wire stripper. What is the transfer of information from RNA to DNA called? The answer is D, reverse transcription. Who broke Usain Bolt's world record for most career Olympic gold medals in athletics? The answer is D, Allyson Felix. Which is not a prime number between 1 and 20? The answer is C, 7. The highest peak of Rocky Mountains is named after whom? The answer is D, George. What is the name of the highest court in Massachusetts? The answer is C, Supreme Judicial Court of Massachusetts. How many hit points does the Arclight Siege tank have? The answer is C, 150. Whose parents lost their fortune for non-payment of income taxes on the TV show Angel? The answer is D, Cordelia. What is the setting of Fahrenheit 451? The answer is A, a futuristic city. What is loud, metallic, and follows a train? The answer is D, engineer's assistant. What happens to a cat's fur in the summer? The answer is C, it becomes less dense. What are the most common types of compounds found on Earth? The answer is A, carbon-based compounds. What is the deepest submergible vehicle ever used for exploration? The answer is A, James Cameron's Deep-Sea Challenger. Who was the first African American to serve as U.S. President? The answer is A, Barack Obama. What paired organs together receive about 25% of cardiac output and are protected in the retroperitoneal space by the renal fat pad and overlying ribs and muscle? The answer is A, kidneys. What are the only plants in the life cycle in the gametophyte generation is dominant? The answer is B, non-vascular. What type of chemicals do ants communicate with? The answer is A, pheromones. What is considered to be the control center for homeostatic mechanisms? The answer is A, hypothalamus. Which gas is given off by plants? The answer is C, oxygen. Ray Walston, who plays Mr. Hand in Fast Times at Ridgemont High, was a regular cast member on which TV show? The answer is C, My Favorite Martian. In ancient Egypt, gold mines were the property of what? The answer is B, state. What type of reproduction results in genetically unique offspring? The answer is C, sexual reproduction. Cancer of the testes is most common in males between what ages? The answer is B, 15 and 35. What has to happen but never does and exists nowhere except in the mind?
The answer is D, time.
Which two things are produced when a plant breaks down sugar to release energy? The answer is A, carbon dioxide and water. What part of his own body does Prince Charming from the Shrek movies adore the most? The answer is A, his hair. Examples of organ systems in a human include the skeletal, nervous, and what? The answer is C, reproductive systems. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency EPA was established in 1970 to address problems that existed in the environment. Which is the EPA most likely interested in reducing? The answer is B, the level of pollution caused by people. What can fill the space between two stars? Darkness. The answer is D, space-time. What does the Earth orbit that makes the seasons to change? The answer is B, plasma star. What is the state of maximum disorder or randomness in a system? The answer is C, entropy. In the movie Joe Dirt, who is Joe Dirt talking to when he relates his life story? The answer is D, a radio station DJ. Many Central Asian countries' names end with stan. What does the suffix mean? The answer is A, land. What is HTML short for? The answer is A, hypertext markup language. Which school supply contains ink? The answer is A, pen. What is a USB stick often referred to as? The answer is A, flash drive. What is the first programming language ever created called? The answer is A, Fortran. What is the greatest common factor of the polynomials x4 plus 5x3 plus 6x2 plus 10x plus 4 and x4 plus 7x3 plus 8x2 plus 14x The
plus
answer
6?
is B, x plus 1, 2.
What is the integral of 1/x?